Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I recently purchased a luxury bag from Poshmark and it's the first time I ever did this. I've been really kind of hesitant about buying anything from these third-party resellers because I heard that oftentimes people try to sell fakes on there and they try to pass it off as real ones, so I've been really kind of nervous about buying stuff. But Poshmark does allow for you to, if you have a problem with what you purchase, you can contact them and then you can get a refund, or you can debate it in actuality. So it kind of gives you like peace of mind, similar to what eBay does. Like you can always dispute what you actually got. So that being said, I'm really hopeful that I got what I think I got. Here we go. It came in the mail today. So I had purchased, any guesses what this is based on the shape? I had purchased another Christian Dior mini saddlebag that I've been wanting and looking for, and oh my goodness, this one is super cute. Now again, this is pre-loved and this is so cute. Let's look this side. My other Christian Dior bag, mini saddlebag, I purchased off of eBay, and it came with the certificate of authenticity, and also it came with a dust bag. Now this one was a little bit cheaper on Poshmark. I actually got it for significantly cheaper. It was like $60 cheaper than the one I got at eBay, but I'm hoping this is authentic, so let's look for the signs of it being so. Here is the Dior zipper pull, and then on here should say CD, which it does. We kind of zoom in closer. Here you see. So this is a detachable strap, and the strap looks really good. So condition wise, I would say this is good, almost like new, because I don't see any wear and tear on the piping, and the fabric looks pretty good. There's no stains or anything. This is actually a really good purchase. I'm super excited. Okay, now here we go. I'm going to open the bag. The zipper works really well. I'm going to look for, oh, here we go. There is a, yay, there is a authenticity certificate card. So I am super stoked. So this is a real bag, and I got it for a steal. Guys, I got this bag for $80 on Poshmark, so I am so excited. Here's the Christian Dior tag, and let me see if I can find the serial number. It's usually on the side here. Bear with me. Sorry guys, let's see if I can find it. Oh wait, you know what? On these bags it goes behind, sorry, it's behind it. It says made in Spain, MC0071. Okay, I am so excited. What do you guys think? It looks awesome. Can't wait to support this. It is super cute, super cute. Oh, I'm so excited. It looks amazing. Thank you for watching this video, and if you don't already, subscribe to my channel to see videos like this where I do unboxing of luxury goods, and I give you tips on how to find things. Talk to you soon. Bye.